So in this video I'm going to talk to you and give you a brief introduction about Moore's law. So Moore's law isn't a law in the sense of a physics law. It's more of an observation carried out by someone called Gordon Moore in the 1960s. And what he observed and predicted was that the size of a transistor on a silicon chip would halve in size every 1 to 2 years. So what does this actually mean? So in a silicon chip, the transistors act as a switch, and the more switches you have on your chip, the more powerful your processor becomes. So this is a prediction which has held true for the best part of 50 years, where every 1 to 2 years the number of transistors on a processor doubles, which then increases the speed of your computers. It makes it cheaper as well. So this law has held what we deem as true. We are getting to a point now where it's becoming much more expensive to make your transistors and features smaller. We are really pushing the limits of where the physics allows on a silicon chip. And this is where nanotechnology really comes into its own by looking at other materials to replace silicon. So in everyday life, this has led us to be able to have mobile phones which are more powerful than computers were 20 years ago. It allows us to have more pixels on a camera, allowing us to go to 4K videoing on something as simple as a mobile phone. It allows us to have more memory in devices, whether that be RAM or flash. So it's an important prediction to be able to make, and for the future, and anybody in the semiconductor and nanotechnology industry is actually acting as goals and set points to aim for. So as of 2020, the smallest size of something that can be made on silicon is around 5 nanometers. The prediction is that by 2022 this would reduce to about 3 nanometers, and by the end of 2023 this will be down to 2 or 3 nanometers. So we are getting very, very small. So hopefully this has given you a brief introduction of Moore's law and why it's important for nanotechnology. If you've liked this video, please hit the subscribe button, and I'll see you again soon.